in Chinese, if you want to ask something, it's usually the number plus the measure word. Die is the measure word. In Chinese, we have many measure words. For example, you can ask the weather still. For example, how many degrees in one country. So you can just, I will erase this now, okay? So you can just change the measure word to do. Do means degree. Yes, do. For example, 现在墨西哥几度 ？Yes. Yes. Wow, this is so hard. Actually, in Chinese, we use Celsius. Celsius. Yes. So can you check the degree in Celsius? 48? Wow, this is too hot. That's you? Oh, wow, that is so hot. Sorry, I think our connection just stuck for a little while. Can you hear me clearly? Okay, yes, I can hear you now. Okay, so this is the weather in 墨西哥. So we change the country. So 现在美国几度? Yes. How many degrees in America? Yeah. I think it's very cold in America now, right? It's winter. Because it's very cold in China. I can tell you the weather in China. 现在中国5度 in my province. Yeah. So cold. G is how many, it's the question word, and for your answer you can just give me a number. Oh, the weather is high, the temperature is higher than China. Okay. Yeah, it's really good. You can see I bring a lot. So maybe let's just check. 现在英国几度？ Oh, not so cold or not so hot. I think it's very it's more comfortable weather in China than China. Okay, so the last country, 现在澳大利亚几度Wow, that's hot. Oh, yeah, it's in Australia it's summer, right? In summer, I think 28度 is not so hot. I think it's very comfortable weather. Okay, so this is how to ask the weather and how to express the temperature. Any questions?
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。